Confirmed, it is the KJ-2000. The rotodome is intact.
At 3,200 feet, recovery will be complex.
Look at the rotodome mounts. These stress fractures are severe.
Logging urgent reinforcement required at 3,200 feet.
我们需要将飞机分成7个主要部分进行打乱，
包括机头和雷达场。是的。
KJ-2000, ascending through water column at carefully controlled 12 feet per hour.
KJ-2000 held at 800-foot decompression stop, preventing rapid pressure change from crushing deteriorated fuselage panels.
Specialized underwater construction vehicles installing massive steel cables through KJ-2000 wing box structure, threading cables through main spar carry-through, attaching to fuselage keel structure.
ROV dispatched to inspect KJ-2000 during decompression stop, checking all cable attachments under load, examining rotodome mounting struts for stress.
KJ-2000 held at 200-foot depth for second decompression stop, final pressure equalization, surface swell now affecting aircraft movement slightly.
Navigation team planning KJ-2000 transport route to restoration facility, avoiding international shipping lanes.
Attention fleet, attention!
Final authorization is go. Commence synchronized lift. Maintain all parameters.
Transport barge flooding ballast tanks in controlled sequence, 40,000 tons of ballast water. Deck submerging to 55 feet depth.
Chinese naval engineers will board recovery vessel, finalizing lift calculations for KJ-2000. Total
Using the link trends in the advanced grid correctly. Installing outrigger supports under KJ-2000 wing.
The comprehensive restoration will require 4 years, and an estimated 2.8 billion yuan.
We will proceed with complete restoration.
KJ-2000 being lifted by 500-ton gantry crane from transport barge. Moved into climate-controlled secure hangar.
Controlled pressure washing of KJ-2000 exterior using fresh water at precisely calibrated 800 psi, removing marine growth from aluminum skin.
Specialized cleaning of KKT internal tanks, removing 12-year-old fuel residue, microbiological contamination.
Cleaning KJ-2000 rotodome exterior housing after classified internal components removed. Pressure washing
Deep cleaning KJ-2000 disaster after engine removal. Removing salt.
Flushing KJ-2000 hydraulic system with solvent cleaner, removing contaminated fluid from lines, reservoirs,
Let's get this panel off.
Careful, it's heavy.
Document the corrosion levels here.
specialized team entering KJ-2000 mission crew compartment, documenting 12 operator workstation positions. Radar.
severe corrosion on these engine pods is critical for lift planning.
Yeah, we've also confirmed the leading edge slats are completely seized.
Okay, this panel here needs immediate reinforcement. See the corrosion depth? We'll mark it for temporary bracing before it goes on the barge.
The frame spacing here is consistent with the original specifications.
Let's check the stringers for any signs of corrosion or fatigue.
Area Charlie 9er showing moderate, moving to Delta 1.
Roger. Got a cluster of red emerging near the forward bulkhead.
We authorize procurement for KJ2000 restoration.
We'll supply IL-76 platform components.
For D30KP2 parts, Soloviev.
Engineers verifying transport cradle configuration for KJ2000. Custom saddles matching IL-76 fuselage curves.
We need to check if these underwater stresses exceed the design limits.
Agreed. The loads from the 15-ton dome are significant.
Transcription. Fuel system specialists examining KJ2000 fuel tanks, measuring corrosion depth.
Systematically removing severely corroded KJ2 fuselage skin panels, drilling out corroded rivets.
Resealing KJ2000 wing fuel tanks, applying 7.
Examining KJ2000 wing box structure, front and rear spars, ribs, stringers, replacing corroded spar caps, installing new rib segments, maintaining wing box stiffness.
Reinforcing KJ2000 cabin floor structure, main deck floor beams, floor panel attachment points, supporting mission crew equipment weight.
Installing replacement aluminum skin panels on KJ2000 fuselage.
Restoring KJ2000 rear cargo door structure, door frames, hinges, latching mechanisms, critical for crew access and maintenance.
Restoring KJ2000 cockpit pressure vessel, windscreen frames, side window frames, overhead structure.
Rebuilding KJ2000 control surfaces, ailerons, elevators, rudder, spoilers, replacing corroded.
It.
Replacing severely corroded wing skin panels on KJ2000, upper and lower wing sirs, precision countersinking.
Rebuilding KJ2 trailing edge systems, triple slotted flap tracks, carriage mechanisms, aileron attachment points, spoiler hinges.
Rebuilding KJ2000 engine pylons, structural members connecting engines to the wing.
Applying desalination treatment to KJ2000 airframe, electrolytic process drawing chloride ions from aluminum structure, multi-week treatment preventing ongoing corrosion.
Using the pin parties onto instant bed pins constructed.
Forcing dry nitrogen through KJ2000 engine ducta, clearing biological growth, removing moisture.
Classified systems removal team extracting KJ2000 rotodome radar components, battle management computers, electronic warfare systems.
Installing monitoring equipment on KJ2000 during transport. Structural strain gauges at critical points. Temperature sensors, humidity monitors inside fuselage.
Installing new environmental control system in KJ1000. Engine bleed air supply. Pack control.
The 115-volt AC and 28-volt DC systems are routed through here.
Let's check the generator configuration and bus bar layout on the schematic.
Examining KJ2000 hydraulic systems. Checking 4 independent hydraulic circuits. Pumps driven by each engine.
Installing newer engine drill system and
Installing new 4-circuit hydraulic system in KJ2000. Engine-driven pumps on each engine. Electric backup.
Connecting all engine systems on KJ2000, fuel manifolds, hydraulic pump drives, electrical generator connections, bleed.
Installing complete landing gear system on rebuilt main gear.
Checking the 4-bogie main gear configuration, 16 main wheels total, and the nose gear with its 2 wheels.
Specialists examine the D30KP2 engines, planning a complete teardown and specialized removal procedure. Of every D30KP2 engine nacelles, each nacelle weighing 4,500 kilograms.
All right, let's start with the pilot station. Co-pilot side looks standard. Check the pressure vessel integrity here.
Restoring KJ2000 emergency exits, overwing exits, crew entry doors, ensuring all emergency egress routes functional. Preparing KJ2 exterior for painting, chemical cleaning, sanding primer coat, applying aerospace epoxy primer, creating perfect surface for final paint.
Weather conditions are optimal. Weight and balance calculations are confirmed. We have authorization for takeoff.
Fully restored KJ2000 airborne early warning aircraft taking off from restoration facility, 4 D30KP2 engines at full power.